an honor that big is something that I just don't have the kind of personality that would expect that. As a young boy, my dreams were to make it to the NBA, to be as good as I could. It was a very rare situation that somebody played for a team their whole career and then all of a sudden was an assistant coach for many years and then became the head coach. You get a job, you don't expect to inherit Hakeem Olajuwon, a player with that kind of skill and character. Hakeem was so good as a leader of our team. Those guys are very important to me. Without them in my life, it probably doesn't happen. I tried to mold what I was offering to fit what these special players had, their special skills. It's hard to win just one game. Sometimes when you really need a game, it's very difficult to get it done because so many things can go wrong. And you're playing against great players and great coaches. We weathered all those things coming at you. There were so many pivotal moments on our journey to winning those championships, and to get it done is just so special. I have such a warm feeling in my heart for the Houston fans. Talking about it, that electricity that it sent to our team, it helped us. This championship is Houston's championship. It isn't about one player, one coach. It's the whole community. It was so special. Houston Rockets fans, I want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being a part of our championships. We couldn't have done it without you, and I love you.